In this video, we're going to discuss within GLM some of the options. What SPSS offers. All right, so it's sort of more this video is sort of more a continuation of another video on GLM after you specify the model. You know, GLM and when you're specifying the model. Now, after you have a model, we're going to go GLM univariate, and you see my model's already here. So some of the options we can click on. Click on options. We can ask for descriptive statistics, parameter estimates. One of the things is there are some what they call, let's say, plan type, and we can do compare main effects and like a Bonferroni, sort of like ANOVA, but the difference is one of the differences the standard error is calculated a little different because this model has many variables in it. So the standard error for when you're doing this Bonferroni and comparing the main effects by a certain variable, it's going to be a little different than if it was done in ANOVA with a single variable. Okay, I won't bother doing that one. I'll just do the standard, more descriptive statistics and parameter estimates. And another a common thing that people might want is to save something. Save, click on save, unstandardized, basically predicted values. So if you're predicting, say, minutes used, and this is a continuation of the video where we did predict minutes used, you may want to get predicted values. Like, say you've got the actual, you got the observed, but you want to see what your model predicts. You know, sort of to get an estimate how well it's doing. You may want to look at that because there are other things that you can do with the data than just look at R squared for understanding how well it's predicting or how well your model's performing. Alright, so this model, minutes, gender, plan, minutes is a dependent variable, gender, plan type, and then age category, so 3 categorical variables, and income, 1 continuous variable to predict minutes, and we did a few options. We'll click OK. Alright, and then you can see it's got all the descriptive statistics, well, mean, standard deviation, count, by every combination, gender, plan type, age category, for every combination of that. Then it's got the model. We probably remove age category because it's not significant. But anyway, here are the parameter estimates. And then within the data, see, here's minutes. You can see like 773, 1127. And then we have predicted minutes. It's called PRE for predicted. And you know, it didn't do too badly. 831 instead of 77, I think, was the 773, and 1127. This was 1191. Not so bad. We would, to really understand better how predicted and how the predictions were, you might want to look at R squared as mentioned, but there are other ways, and this video won't go into that. But there are some of the options, some of the more commonly used options within GLM. Okay.